Hello everybody, welcome to Hazel's drawing corner. And today we are going to be drawing a cat. Again, cats. I love cats. There's even a cat on the start of it. So first we're going to start with a head. Not a normal head. Right here. Maybe we can just fix that up a little bit. Connecting it. And then you are going to do that. Then you're going to just draw that, the inside, and we're going to color it at the end, okay? Then for the same side, I'm going to do it. Same side. Now that this side might look a little bit small, but we're going to use X. Then you're going to draw the hair next. It's just a zigzag line. And like, when you're done with it, I'm not done, but like when you're done with it, we're going to draw something incredible. This might not be like really incredible, like saving someone's life here, but see, it's kind of like the shade of the heart, but it's not really a heart. It's not supposed to be a heart. It is just kind of supposed to be like a really cute thing to add to it, and we are just going to try to like make it look pretty by adding the eyes, which the eyes an oval, like an oval, adding a line to look like that, just like that. Just like that, okay? The like way bigger than it shows on the screen because the screen is a little bit small. So we're going to move here. We're going to draw that. And now you're going to be drawing something really cool right now, right here. So we're just going to be drawing the mouth really cute. We're going to make a little oval. We're going to color it all in. It has to be like really big, but not so big that it's like a real person nose, clown nose. Just make it still look small, but also big enough so you can see. And you're going to draw the mouth, like right there, and the whiskers. It's right next to the mouth and the nose, but still not as close. And the tongue is going to be really cute, and then you might just want to draw dots on the tongue like a real tongue. Yeah. And now, here's the really hard part for some people. The body. But don't worry, it's not hard in this one. It's just like that. That's the tail. The body. The body's like all curled up with the tail. We're going to be moving that here. And we're going to do that. Add the front. Is that way better? Yeah, I know. It's way better. And let's see. And the feet are going to be right here. And if you also, and now we're just going to do another thing real quick. That's just the fuzzy bit. That does not mean it's Sylvia's top. And that is going to be used for something. all fuzzy. You can have the lines on it. Fuzz. See you later, everybody. The next episode is coloring our amazing drawing that we made. See you soon. Bye, guys.